Hi and welcome to this training course on Autodesk Revit architecture. By the time you complete this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge to take a project from start to finish, as Steve takes us through the ins and outs of Revit. As with BIM, you work solely on one single project, so this course is constructed in the same manner. If you don't have any previous experience with Revit or any other CAD-based software, don't worry. We will start off from the beginning, building you up to be more than capable of creating your own Revit models. The course will start with the basics from the terminology used in Revit to the tools and the interface. We will then move on to building our project, introducing a new tool and feature as we progress. You'll learn all about datum elements such as the levels and grids, the structural components such as the structural and architectural columns. You'll also learn the major and the minor components like the walls, windows, doors, floors, stairs, ceilings, curtain walls and roofs. We'll then take it to the next level and learn how to create 2D details, how to tag components, create schedules and legends, create render images and video walkthroughs. Finally, we will set up our sheets and send them to print. Together with the video lessons, you will have access to the course notes and the training files to follow along. So, if you're ready to learn Revit, let's get started.